Welcome to Student Planning, Creating a Plan. The My Progress section displays the degree and major requirements you need to complete for your program. Click My Progress to view how the courses you have already completed and your planned courses will be used towards your program. The My Progress page will display an at-a-glance overview of your GPA and program information. The progress bars provide an overview of how far along you are into your program. Detailed program requirements are listed in the Requirements section. This section shows how your completed and planned courses are used towards your program. You can plan and search for a course by clicking either the Search button in each section or by clicking individual course numbers. Courses can be planned out over multiple terms and years. Once sections are available, you can plan the date and time for your course. Courses that are not used by any specific requirement or are elective courses are shown at the bottom in the Other Courses section. If you are thinking of changing your program or just want to see how your courses can be used towards a different program, click View a New Program at the top of the page. A list of programs related to your program will be displayed, along with all other available programs. So I hope you learned a lot from the video. Please take a look at all the other student planning videos.